strongest hurricane ever seen in any Pacific hurricane history, breaking so many records. This is what they call big. Fastest 1-minute sustained winds ever recorded. 345 kilometers per hour winds. It is definitely Hurricane Patricia. 345 mile per hour winds. It is like any other storm, a tropical depression. Off the coast of Guatemala City, there goes a tropical depression. At a time of a quarter of an hour, it's already a tropical storm. On the second day of the tropical formation, it's already a Category 2. In just half a day, it had already become the world's strongest cyclone. On the same day, it also took a great and devastating impact. It has sunken deeply inside of Mexico, at least 100 miles away from the Pacific Ocean. The most notable feat of Patricia was its insanely high and strong peak with winds up to 215 miles per hour, the highest ever recorded central pressure of 872 millibars, and the second lowest pressure from tip, which happened in 1979.